In this video I'm going to show you how to play Schedule 1 on your PC. So if you buy games at Steam, it can get really expensive, especially the latest ones. Plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses, and nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to play Schedule 1 on your PC without overspending and keeping your PC safe. So the first step is to open your Google browser, and once you have done that, I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Now, the next step is to locate the game on Steam before we can proceed to another website to install it and play it. So go to Steam and search up the game Schedule 1. Search for it and you will find it and select it. Now we will scroll a little bit down and there you will find a free sample of Schedule 1. But the normal game is €19.50. But we got a little workaround for that. So follow these steps and you will be set up within a minute with this game on your PC. What you need to do is open the video description where it says find game here, click on that link and you will be redirected to this website. Now we are going to search for the same game again, Schedule 1. Search for it and then select games on the left side. After that select price lowest first, and as you can see this text is marked green. That means that this game can be activated in your country and that is very important. After that you can select this game because this is the cheapest one. Now what you need to do is purchase this game on this website for just €9.59 instead of €19.50. That is a big difference and it will save you a lot of money while downloading, installing and playing the legit game Schedule 1. So follow the steps after you have received the email confirmation and also the activation link or account you will receive, and you can log into it and download the game without any hassle. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!